Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. So today it's another install day as usual. The product I am going to be installing, I'm going to explain to you why I bought it before I actually show you what it is. But once I explain everything, you'll kind of get an idea what it is. But anyways, I want to start off by saying that, you know, with how things are going on in the world today, I made a post about security, you know, as an investment. You know, I see a lot of like road rage incidents, hit and runs, just stuff happening in the street in general. And you know, there's cars around, but a lot of things aren't seen. So with that, I ended up getting a dash cam. I went with the Vantrue N4, which is a 3-way dash cam. So it's going to be recording in the back window, or out the back window, and the front window, and there's going to be one in the front as well, showing inside the cabin. So, you know, in a way you kind of get a little bit of a 360 view, but not really. It's more of the front windshield, the back window, and then like the inside of the cabin, you can kind of see out the front passenger and driver's side window. So let me unbox this and show you what it is. So this is the Vantrue N4 dash cam. Like I said, it's a 3-way. I've been watching a lot of reviews on this particular camera and like comparison to other ones, and this always comes out on top, but at least it comes at number 2 or number 1. So I ended up ordering this. I got it on Amazon, and it was about $250 more or less. But I'm gonna get this open and show you the contents, and then I'm gonna actually get it installed. Okay, so I got all the contents out the box. The first item is going to be, I'm trying to open this box right here. So this one is going to be the cabling that plugs into the, I guess the cigarette lighter. Okay, which is not bad. I need that. I mean, how else am I going to get power? This next box is going to be, damn. Yeah, I'm actually doing this in my car. I didn't like want to do it inside because everything was already in the car. So I didn't want to take everything back inside and try and start the video and then bring everything back outside. So okay, so this is probably the power cable that's going to run from the rear window all the way to the front. So probably gonna run that along the headliner somehow, and then plug it in. So that's that. What is this? Okay, this is the first camera. Oh shit! So this is the first camera right here. I'm not sure which one this is, but you can see it. That's the first camera. Drop the double-sided tape. The next box right here. This is the bigger camera. Okay, so this is going to be the one for the front. Okay, so this is the screen. This is going to be the front. The other camera I just showed you was the rear. So this camera is in the front. This camera right here is going to be for the cabin, and that's for out the windshield. Okay, it's not bad. And last but not least, get this box open. This right here is not sure. It's a USB Type-C. I don't know, so I'm gonna read the instructions, figure out what that is. And then here is the suction mount for the camera, and a little prying tool. So let's get to it, and let's get this installed because I got things to do. So let's get to it, and I'll get back with you and I get some updates. So I got an update. First update. for starters, I do want to say that it is easy, but it's just time consuming. So I got the power wire running from here all the way in. It goes up behind the glove box, and it comes out of here, as you can see. It goes up along the head, the A-pillar, all the way down the headrest, and right there. And then I got the camera mounted already. So now I need to work on the back camera, but since I don't have enough slack, I'm probably going to go down here and see if I still have the cigarette lighter somewhere, because if I do, then that's going to be a lot easier and I'll have a lot more slack to work with. But let me run this 20-foot wire all the way to the back and trying to figure out how to center that camera. I'm probably going to cut out some of my tint so it's not really tinting the video quality, or have like some kind of shade effect. So I'm probably going to cut it out. I just got to figure out where exactly I'm going to mount the camera first, and then I'll cut it out from there. Woo-wee. Let me tell you, running the power wire and the data cable, which is basically one cable, from the front to the back was a lot easier than running the power cable to the main camera. Let me show you. So I started up here, ran the wire along the headliner, like I did the main power wire from the cigarette lighter. Ran it along the trim right here, all the way through here. As you can see, the wire right here. Ran it back across this and there, and tucked up in the headliner. The crazy thing is, I had about 7 extra feet, so I just had it all tucked in here. It feels pretty secure for now, so I'm gonna make sure all the wiring is good. I'm gonna turn it on and try and set it up. But I'll get back to you on this next update, because I'm pretty much done. This is like a record time for me when it comes to install days, because everything always gives me an issue, but not today. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, let me tell you, the install is finally complete. I'm just gonna go get some zip ties and clean up the wiring and whatnot. Other than that, like I said, it's complete. Yeah, the wires are pretty much good. They're in a good mounting place. Nothing's falling out, nothing's loose, everything's pretty much snug. But I'm gonna just use some zip ties to clean it up. But let me show you a little bit of the camera and whatnot, and it's not bad. I actually didn't cut out the tint out the rear window, because the camera doesn't directly sit on the glass, which I thought it would be, but it sits back some, but it's not a bad spot. So let me show you. Just give me 1 second. Turn the car on and I'll show you. I'm just gonna pick it up. Makes a little weird sound. Oh, you can't even see it, or can you? Nope, you can't even see it. Jeez. Let's see now. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it works. Let me see if this lighting. Oh, it's so weird how. Man, you can't even see it. Maybe at nighttime you'll see it, but yeah, because I can see myself in the camera. I can see out the rearview mirror, and I can see the front windshield, which is not bad. It sucks that you guys can't really see it, but my apologies. Whew, let me open this back up. I need some sunlight. Your boy's dark. Well, not really, but sometimes on video I look dark. Before I end this video, I do want to talk about the Lexus. Yeah, I'm just ready to get started. I got a Honda waiting in front of me. There's one Honda that's getting built, but how that's working out is, so when they need something for the car, they actually let the guy know, like, hey, you need this, and he orders it, and then they wait. As for me, I have pretty much all the parts that I need. This car's like just staring at me, but anyways, yeah. So once that car's done, they're gonna start on the Lexus. They're gonna work on everything and pretty much have everything. My ABS relocation lines from finishing lines came in yesterday, which is good. I'm going to take them over to the shop. I mean, it's kind of pointless in a way, because they're not going to be able to actually work on a car just yet. But knowing that they have everything to work on the car, it's good. It's good to know. So anyways, I'm actually looking at getting a tune for the WRX as well, because I've been having issues. Let me show you. The mass airflow sensor, it went bad, which I don't know how. It looks perfectly good, but it went bad. I was having rough idles and whatnot, but it is good now. Replaced it thanks to Tony from Bumper to Bumper. Yeah, that's really it. I got really no more updates. I gotta do an install video again. Probably gonna be installing an amplifier for the door speakers. Just gotta figure out which amplifier I need, because I need a 4-channel, and these speakers are like 250 watts RMS. So something that can actually handle, or not handle, but something that can give out enough power to power the speakers. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But like always, please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned to the next video, because this IS300 build is about to start momentarily. Not like tomorrow or the next day, but soon. Peace. Oh, I completely screwed that up.